Okay, Laura, I'm going to do a quick video showing you how to put the video files into a new movie and organize them so you don't have files everywhere. So I'm going to start with these two videos up in the top right hand corner. I'm making a video about Google Drive for the new teachers. So let's say they're my two videos, whatever they may be, right? So I go down, I start iMovie. Right, just continue past the new stuff. I'm going to create a new movie. Okay, so over on the left hand side over here we have my iMovie, because I haven't named it yet, so it's just called my iMovie. It's got events, and it's got one set of events from the 5th of the 6th, 19, alright? So what we really want to do is we want to create a new event in here so that those two new video files only live in that event. They don't live everywhere else, okay? And that's the issue. Like in this event that's here at the moment, there's already 3 files. So you don't want to get these 3 videos mixed up with your new videos, okay? So I'm going to go on to where it says iMovie Library. I'm going to control click on there and I'm going to put new event. And the new event, I'm actually going to name it. Don't just leave dates, you're better off naming it. So I'm going to call this Google Drive, right? So that I know the video in there relates to my new Google Drive video that I'm going to make, okay? So now I'm going to go and collect the 2 videos from the right hand side here. I'm going to drag them over and I'm going to import them into the media, and you'll notice that I've imported them into Google Drive. So if I go back up here to this one, they're not there. They're my old ones. They're my old ones. Here's just the new ones. So just by making different events down here, I'm already starting to organize and lay out the videos that I want them, you know, the order that I want them to be done. Now, if you could do one folder for every single student you have, so that it could be drama performance for John, drama performance for Mary, whatever, and have all of these different names down here. So you've got specific videos for specific students, right? And all you do is put them in events. Now, once they're in events, you can click on the video, you can go through and preview what they're about. So for me, this is the first video I want. I'm going to click that one, drag it down to here. Now, obviously it's too small for me to edit like that, so I'm going to go over here to the right hand side. I'm actually going to slide it to make it a little bit bigger, and you'll see that the video down below has just expanded right out so that I can now go through and edit it and make changes and that sort of stuff. Now, I do want that second video as well, so I'm going to click on that. I'm going to drag that and put it down in there. Now, I left space. If you can have a look here, there's a big gap of nothing there and a big gap of nothing there. I did that on purpose so that when my videos joined together, I could make them join and they didn't sound silly. So if I press space now and just play those. Drive. Now let's get on to part 2, which is classroom. I can hit space again. If I click on that line where I've just where I have it and I press Command B, that'll cut that little section of video there. I can click on it, press delete, I get rid of it. I know you know how to use iMovie, I'm just thought I'd show you that little trick. So for the next video I can play it until I'm ready. Press space, click on that line, Command B, and I can delete out that 2.5, 3 seconds that I don't need. And now the 2 videos... Get on to part 2, which is classroom. Okay, I click on the 9 little dots again at the top. Right, check my video and it seems to work. And then once I'm finished, I can go back onto projects. I can name my video and call it Google Drive, which is for the new teachers. Hit OK. And I've got that video there. Here's my other video. So in terms of organization, each video you create, you can have 10 different videos here. And once you go into those videos, you have which library of events and how they all work inside of here. And again, you can close that so that you don't have a ridiculous amount of videos here and a whole pile of videos over here.